Welcome back to the Eat Well Dietitian YouTube channel. I'm going to make another salad dressing today. So in addition to being a dietitian, my husband and I farm, and we farm hazelnuts. And he was recently telling me about a study that was done where it was found that people would like to try hazelnut salad dressing. I found this really interesting because I enjoy eating hazelnuts whole, roasted on a salad, but never really thought about a hazelnut salad dressing. So I'm gonna take this challenge and make a hazelnut dressing. So let me know what you think about the dressing, and then leave me some comments about how you enjoy hazelnuts below, and then I will leave a link to my blog if you would like the salad dressing recipe. All right, thank you.